Notifications. To find notifications, simply go to your profile and down to My Account. You can also do this from the admin side. Go to your profile, go down to My Account. On the left hand side, go down to Notifications. Inside here, you can turn off or on what notifications you receive. If you do not want to receive emails on new student sign-ups, then you can just check it off. If you don't want to receive emails about new course enrollments, again, you can just check it off. If you don't want to receive any emails about reviews added or updated, again, you can turn this off. This is how you can control notifications on Zenler for your admin dashboard.